open like this, only this, in this way. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. In this way, it is to be given. Okay. Now, actually, what is this? You have to know at first. At first, we try to give here sign. Dear students, you know, in matrix, what was A11? Can you remember? Then A12. Then let me know A13. Right? Afterwards, we have got A21, A22, A23. Is it? Then it was A31, A32, then A33. Okay, just to make you understand properly and clearly, you see, it is what? First row, second row, third row. Okay? You understand? It is first row. A1, all are first row. A2, all are second row. A3, all are third row. Now column, this is the column. We know IJ, row column. It is one, first column, first column, first column, second column, second column, second column. This is the third column, third column, third column. So what we are getting here, this is column, and we are also getting here it is as by row. I have differentiated the color of the ink, row. Okay, you have got it, row and column. It's okay. Now, can you please tell me here, it is what now? A11? Please talk to me. You have to cooperate. Otherwise, it is impossible. It is 1, 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. What is the value of 1 plus 1 equals to what? 1 plus 1 equals to what? You just let me know. To express any number, it is the format, you know, -1 whole to the power n. To express any number, this is the format. Please try to understand. -1 whole to the power n. Suppose if n is even, if n is even, the value is what? Positive. Am I right? Actually, perhaps you don't know how to talk. If n is odd, then what is the value? It is negative. As per example, suppose -1 whole to the power 2 equals to what? Positive 1. But if I get -1 whole to the power -3, it is negative 1. Am I right? Aren't you getting me? Hello, everybody. You unmute yourself. Okay. If you don't cooperate, then it is better to just upload video only. So no need to take class in Zoom. Okay. Anyway. So actually we are getting what? We are getting here. To express any number, it is the format -1 whole to the power n. If n is even, then it is positive. If n is odd, then it is negative. Okay, that's good. Now you see one thing. Here it is 1, but I am not going for the value, numerical value. I am going for writing here, I mean sign, positive or negative. So everywhere I'll give -1, -1, -1. It is again for second column, it is again -1, -1, it is -1. And for the third column, I am going to write down same thing, -1, -1. Sorry. Okay. And you see there is a combination here, 3 by 3 matrix. Now just let me know, it is 1, 1, as I told you at first, 1, 1. So it is 1 plus 1. Then it is what? 1, 2. So it is 1 plus 2. and last it is what? 1 and 3, 1 plus 3. Here it is what? 2, 1. So write down 2 plus 1. Then it is 2, 2. Write down 2 plus 2. Then it is 2, 3. Write down 2 plus 3. Then it is 3, 1. 3 plus 1. Then it is 3, 2. Power. 3 plus 2. Then it is 3, 3. It is 3 plus 3. Have you got it? Now you see.
স্যার একটু রিপিট করা যাবে স্যার, দেরিতে এসেছি স্যার।
Okay.
সরি স্যার।
It's okay. Actually, I am telling you that this is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, right? 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. That you got it in chapter 1A, exercise 1A. Now, what I am going to show you is that where plus and where minus. It is the way to express any numbers in the format of -1 whole to the power n. If n is even, then we are getting positive sign. If n is odd, we are getting negative sign. Now you see, I have taken all -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1, -1. This 1 plus 1, please mute yourself. This 1 plus 1 has been written from this 1, 1. 2, 1. For this I have written 2 plus 1. 3, 1. For this I have written 3 plus 1. It is 1, 2. For this I have written 1 plus 2. And in the same way, all have been written. Now you see, what is the sign here? -1 whole to the power 2 equals to what? Can you tell me, please? Plus sign. I am not telling anything regarding 1. I am telling something regarding plus minus. Now you see here it is what? -1 whole to the power 3. Sign is negative. Talk to me.
Yes,
Here,
sir.
yes, sign is negative. Here power 4, that means even. So sign will be positive. What will be the sign of power 4? It will be positive. Now here you see, for the second column, it is what? Power is 3. So sign will be negative. Here the power is 4. Sign will be positive. Here the power is what? 5 -1 whole to the power 5. So sign will be negative. Okay, now you see the last one. Power is 4. So sign will be positive. Here power is 5. So that is odd number. So sign will be negative. Here the power is 6. That is even number. So sign will be positive. That is what we have come to know. Okay. You see please. Along the diagonals, all are positive. Have you seen?
Yes, sir.
And other than diagonals, all are negative. Is it? That
Yes,
is,
sir.
we won't go for that. What we'll come to know? We'll come to know always one thing: plus, minus, plus. It is plus, then minus, plus, minus. It is minus, then it comes plus, minus, plus. You understand? You'll count it. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. And you see, along the diagonals, all are positive and others are negative. Okay? Have you got me?
Yes,
So,
sir.
one thing I have tried my level best to make you understand that the position value, where it is positive and where it is negative. Now, we again come to the first one, what I showed you. You please see, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. At first I wrote this. Okay, perhaps you can remember. Now, suppose I am going to find this value. Determinant. What is to do, you know? You have to take either row. I am writing either row, or you have to consider column. Anything. So normally the students and the teachers prefer to do the math along first row. First row. If you consider first row, then you have to take all the 3 entries of first row. If you consider first column, then you have to consider all the 3 entries of first column. If you consider the second row, then you have to consider all the 3 entries of second row. That means you can consider any row, you can consider any column. But normally for doing the maths initially, we are going to consider the first row, entries of first row. You please try to understand this. Okay, now I am going to consider this one. Suppose this one. Okay, have you got me? When I will consider this one, then you will remember this one, that means along this row and along this column will not be considered else. This one is to be considered. It means you see this is 1. Then what is left? Can you please tell me? 5, 6, let me know. We are left with what? If we consider 1 along this row and along this column, all will be omitted. So we are left with 5, 6, 8, 9. Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, suppose it has been done. Now I am going to consider the second entry of first row. That means I am going to consider these 2. What is the position value of these 2? Can you tell me please? Position value of these 2, what I told you, plus, minus, plus, right? So each position value is negative. So here -2. I am going to consider now this one. I am going to consider this one. It means 2 is with this column, right? And 2 is with this row also. So this row and this column will not be considered. So what is left here? Can you please tell me? 4, 6, 7, 9.
7, 9.
4, 6, 7, 9. Have you got it? Now for the last one, you see, please try to understand. For the last one, what we are going to do, you please try to understand. Now I am going to consider these 3. What is meant by this? These 3, that is this row. This 3 means this column. 3 is related with this column and 3 is related also with this row. Okay, so here position value is positive. So this is positive 3. Now what is left here? 4, 5, 7, 8. 4, 5, 7, 8. Okay, can you see the board? Yes, you can see the board. Is it? Talk to me. Is there anyone? Okay, is there anyone here who has failed to understand this? Okay, no one. Good, very good. Now you see, this is 1. What is determinant? This is the question. Determinant is you multiply this into this. What is the value? 45. You multiply this into this. What is the value? 48. Then again, it is -2. You multiply in the same way. 4 into 9, 36. And -6 into 7 equals to what? 42. Can you remember, for getting cross multiplication? For getting cross multiplication in class 9 and 10, you did math of like this. Okay, here when you multiplied, you took from here in this way. But for y, you have to take from the below part, right? Can you remember please? For y, finding y, you have to take from the below. But for x and 1, you have to take multiplication from the upper one. So as you took from the below one, there no minus sign was used. If I take minus common, then that minus will be here. This is the fact. But I am not going to multiply from 7 and 6 at first. I have multiplied 4 and 9 at first. Anyway, Now you see, this is plus 3 again. And what we are getting, 4 into 8 equals to what? 32. Minus 7 into 5, 35. Now, can you please calculate its value? Please. This is what? Minus 3. This is what? Plus 12. And this is what? Minus 9 equal to 0. That is, it is also a formula. You can get a formula that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it is equals to 0. It is also a formula. Okay, have you got me? Now, you see another thing, the most interesting thing, an MCQ can be given. What is the value of A? You should not do the math. What is the value of A here? If it is A, then what is the value of A?
4.
Yes, so you should not do the math. You can easily write down that it is the 4 because you know the formula and others don't know it. The difference is there. They will do the math, then they will get it 0. There will be A here, and they will get A equals to 4. But you know the formula that this is equals to 0. So what is the missing number? 4. So it is the 4. Okay. There are some rules for determinant, but we will come to know time to time. If I show it at first too many maths or too many formula, then you will be puzzled. So better we do some math from this exercise. What I taught you, you just find, you have to find the value of, you write down 10. This is 10. This is minus 5, and this is 3. 4, 20, 11. 4, 20, 11. Then it is minus 30, minus 30, 15, and it is 14. This value is to find. Now, what will you do? What will be your functioning at first? Please try to understand. It is really very, very easy. I have not seen any student that the question is given from 1A and 1B, but the student has not answered. Okay, it becomes a eat day, or I mean any holiday, if the question is given from 1A and 1B. And for last 5 years, always one creative question was set from 1A and 1B by mixing determinant and matrix. Okay, that's good. Now, what is to do here? Please let me know. This is 10. If I consider 10, then what is left here? Let me know. It means you see what I'm doing. This is omitted and this is omitted. I mean, along 10, the row and the column won't be considered. So what we are left here? Can you please tell me? We are left
20,
here
11, 15, 14.
20, 11, 15, 14. Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to take this one. What is meant by this? I am going to take this one means this omitted, this omitted. So we are left with, can you tell me please?
4, 11, minus 30, 14.
That's good. But in the formula, we have negative sign. Its position value is negative. And it is again minus 5. So we have to write that. So we are getting 4, 11, 4, 11, minus 30, and 14. And for the last entry of the first row, here the position value is positive. So we are going to write down positive. Okay. And you see, this and this will be omitted. Okay. Then we are left with 420, 420 minus 30, 15. Minus 30 and 15. Now it is your turn to complete this. Do it. Sorry. Do this. 20 into 14 equals to what? 280. 15 into 11 minus 165. Minus minus plus 5. 4 into 14 equals to 56. This into this. There is a formula in the minus. There is minus in the formula. So minus minus plus 330.
স্যার স্যার এখানে স্যার 330 টা আগে হবে না, কারণ স্যার এটা তো সেকেন্ডটা
No.
না নিচ
No.
থেকে।
That is class 9 10. For this here is minus.
Yes, sir.
So that we won't take from this one. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have taken this minus for this, and its position value is minus for this. In class 9 and 10, you have to do math of finding y from the below portion, right? But we won't do this. It will be the first one. Okay. Next, it is plus 3. And we are getting here what? 4 15s are 60 minus minus plus 600. Now please, one of you calculates. Will I do or you will do?
Sure, 5060.
5060. Yes.
60.
Yes, you are absolutely right. It is also given in the answer 5060. So I think all of you have come to know how to do the maths. Do you need any other math for practice? You can talk to me. Okay, I am giving another math from the example, and you will do it within 1 minute. I am giving it so that you must not have any problem doing maths next. Okay, A is equal to, given, suppose 1 to 4, 1 to 4, 3 to 1, and it is 213. What is the value of A? Actually, you will be asked in the exam, what is the value of A? This type. Or what is the value of the determinant? Please find it. Your time starts now. I want to see who can do it at first. I want to see. Actually, I have not got the answer. I don't know you are doing or not.
Sir,
What
course
is
minus 13.
Yes, you are
Ji sir,
absolutely right.
-13.
Its answer is -13. All of you are right. Thank you very much. So if you have failed, I mean those who have not answered me, I think you should practice. Okay. Anyway, if you cannot do this math, then you cannot do other maths. Okay. Anyway, I am not going to do question number 2 at first because it will be a little bit hard for you to do question number 2 upon. Okay. After doing all maths upon, I will go to question number 2 upon. Okay, you see question number 3 upon. It will be easier for you. For this, I am going to do it. Question number 2, there are too many formulas which are to be used. On 3, you write down, it is given here, minus a square, copy it, ABAC, ABAC, then AB minus B square, then it is BC. Then we are getting AC, then we are getting AB, sorry, where I am lost. AC BC minus C square, okay. This is the math. Dear students, you see please, in this determinant, math of determinant, if you take something common, that is to be taken common from all. Suppose we are getting here, at example I am giving you, suppose it is a square, suppose it is AB, it is 0. There are 3 terms here. Is there any common here? I have given you a
No,
question.
sir.
Yes, there is something common here. I can take common here A, suppose. Then we will be left with A, it is B, it is 0. Because 0 means what? 0 into A. Now I can take a common. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. So from now onwards, we will apply this theory always. So what is going to be done here? You see, from the first column or first row, we can take a common. Just you let me know, will I consider row or column? It is your decision. Okay, we are, choosing row. So from the first row, I can take a common. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Ji sir.
If I consider row or first row, then I have to consider then second row. It is not that in the same line you will consider row and column together. No, I have considered first row here. It has been considered to take a common. Then I must consider now second row, not second column. So what can be taken common from second row?
B.
I have taken B common from second row. Then from third row, what can be taken common?
C.
That's good. C has been taken common from the third row. So we omit A from the first row, then we will be left with minus A. Then it is B. Then it is, have got me? From the second row, what we took common? B. So if we omit B, then we will be left with A. If we omit B, we will be left with minus B. If we omit B, we will be left with C. Please talk to me. Then
Ji sir.
what the common we took from the third row? C. So we should omit C, then we will be left with A. We should omit C, then we will be left with B. We should omit C, then we should get only minus C. Am I right?
Ji
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now you again see here it is ABC. It is ABC. Now, dear students, you see, from this first column, we can take A common, right? From this second column, we can take B common, right? And from this third column, what can be taken common? We can take C common. Am I right?
Ji, sir.
Can you remember please what I took common from the first column? I took A common, so we are left -1, 1, 1.
Ji, sir.
Then here 1 -1, 1. And for the last one, we took C common, that is, we are left with 1, 1 and -1. Now, if we calculate it, we'll get A square, B square, C square. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Now, please pay attention, all of you. All of you are required to pay attention, 100% attention. Very interesting. Now, you see, it is what? Row 1. It is what? Row 1. Right?
Ji,
It is
sir.
what? Row 2. It is what? Row 3. Am I right?
Ji, sir.
But if I write here, so I cannot write row 1. Can I write? Because row 1 is written here. I cannot write row 1. Is it? So we will give a new notation, row 1 prime. I am going to write down row 2. So we have to give a new notation, row 2 prime. Please try to understand. I am going to write down. Now you see, new row 1 will be obtained by old row 1 plus old row 2. New row 2 will be obtained here by adding old row 2 plus old row 3. It's just try to understand. Now we'll get another 3 rows, right? First row will be obtained by adding this row and this row. Second row of the new determinant will be obtained by adding second row and third row of the old matrix, old determinant. Okay, you see what I'm going to do. Again, please pay attention. You see here what I have written here. New row 1. Row 1 plus row 2. Row 1 plus row 2 means what? This is row 1, this is row 2. So we add it. This plus this equals to what? Tell me. 0. Row 1 and row 2. This row 1 and this is row 2 equals to what? 0.
Ji, sir.
This plus this equals to what? 2. Please try to understand what I have done here. I have just added these 2 rows. This plus this row. This is row. This is row. So this plus this is this. This plus this is this. Similar to the last one. And row 2. You again tell me 1 plus 1. Now this and this will be added. I'm going to show you. This one and this one will be added. It will be 2. This one and this minus 1 will be added. It is 0. This one minus 1 will be added. It is also 0. And third row will be kept as it is. No functioning always. That is, if we add again third row with first or second, it won't be. Okay. So you just try to understand this part. Then you're done. All of you are required to talk to me. Actually, what I have done here, this row 1, this is new row 1, has been obtained by adding the first row and second row of the previous determinant. Similarly, this second row of the new determinant has been obtained by adding second row and third row of the previous determinant. Nothing else here. Anyway, you see a square, b square, c square. Dear students, now at first today, what I showed you, to take this 0, can you remember to take this 0, then this and this will be omitted, and will be left with only this 4. Can you remember, please?
Ji, sir.
Again to take here minus. So this. So what is happening here? When I am going to take this 0, and if we multiply anything with 0, the result is 0. When I am going to take this 0, and if I go for multiplying anything with that 0, the result is 0. That means we will not have any functioning on 0. I'm showing you. Suppose 0 into this, minus 0 into this. What is the result? 0 minus 0. Is it? So we will not have any. We will not have any functioning on 0. So what will we do? Actually, I am going to take this 2. This 0 I have taken, but 0. This 0 I have taken, but 0. But this 2 is still is left to calculate. So I am going to take this 2 now. Taking this 2 means, taking this 2, that means this and this won't be considered. So we will be left with this part, right? That is 2, 0, 1, 1, which means this is 2 a square b square c square. And here you calculate what will be the result. 2 into 1 is 2, minus 1 into 0 is 0. That is 2 minus 0 equals to 2. So our result is 4 a square b square c square equals to right hand side, and math is done. No right hand side. It is to find the value. Yes, you are right. 4 a square b square c square. Talk to me where you have failed to understand. We will have too many maths on this, so no need to be intense. Okay, we'll get all sorts of maths. It is the initial, but the interesting fact is that all the maths are of this type. There is no math here which is out of this. Again, I am going to do question number 4 of 1. You see what is given here. 4 of, I'm sorry, 4 of 1. That is 1, 1, 1. That is 1, 1, 1. A, B, C, A, B, C, and here it is given a square minus BC, a square minus BC. Then it is given b square minus CA. I am using another ink. B square minus CA. And at last it is given C square minus AB. C square minus AB. Dear students, one thing is to be remembered. Okay. If you get 1, 1, 1, that means your math is done. Why? Suppose 1 minus 1 equals to 0. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. This is left. Okay. So if we multiply anything by 0, it is 0. I won't consider. If we multiply again anything by 0, it is 0. I won't consider. So we will be left with only 1. That is, our math will be done in one line. Okay. So our main target, please try to understand and remember it. Our main target is to get 1, 1, 1 in every math, but in this math it is given. Second target, to make 2 zeros. What is our main target? 1, 1, 1. Or same thing. It may be A. It may be 2, 2, 2. It is immaterial. I mean same thing. And second thing is to memorize, that is, after getting this, if I subtract 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, or a minus a 0, or a minus a equals to 0, or 2 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2, 0, that is our next or second goal will be to get at least 2 zeros in a row or in a column. It may be like this or it may be like this. That means in a row or in a column, I have to get 2 zeros. It means that it is wholly and fully 0. This is 0. We'll be left only with the third entry of the first row. Okay, let's see. As per my previous words, you see 1 minus 1 equals to what? Let me know. 0. Again, 1 minus 1 equals to what? 0. And it is 1. I mean, what we are going to do here, this column minus this column. Okay, you see again, here I am going to write down A minus B. I am going to write down B minus C. And here, as it is C, has been kept. Actually, what I am going to do here, it is column by column. 1, 1, it is column. First column, second column. I am going to write down here, first column is equal to column 1 minus column 2. I am going to write down here, second column is equal to column 2 minus column 3. Column to column subtraction. The subtraction is going to be held from column to column. Can you please let me know what will be here if I subtract? What will be here? Huh? Nine. Okay. Now you see. No. Okay. A square minus B square. Okay. This minus this. Then what will be? A square minus B square. Let me know. Minus BC plus CA. Okay. It may be hard for you. Very good. I don't know that you are here or not. Anyway, I'm going to write down. You see.
স্যার এটা আমরা চাইলে রো এর সাথেও করতে পারতাম না স্যার?
হ্যাঁ, but there would not be any benefit. Ask me why. If I subtract row to row, that means this from this. Up down is row. Okay, subtracting up down, that means row. If I subtract this, that is row subtraction. 1 minus a, it doesn't become 0. I told you to have 0. Okay, anyway.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you see again, this is what? This minus this. That is B square minus CA minus C square plus AB. Then the last will be kept as it is, that is C square minus AB. C square minus AB. Now you please let me know where you have failed to understand. I repeat, 1 minus 1, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. It has been kept as it is. A minus B, A minus B, B minus C, B minus C. This minus this I have written. This minus this I have written. Nothing else I have done here. Now, you know, when I will expand it, at first we will multiply by 0, so it is 0. Secondly, we will multiply by minus 0, so multiplying anything with 0 is 0. So what is left here? We are left here only with 1, right? So that means this and this will be omitted. So we are left with here this is 1, this one has been taken here, a minus b, here it is b minus c, and here, can you please let me know what can be written here? A square minus b square, we can put it into formula, a plus b into a minus b. You please try to understand, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, and from here a can be taken common. If I take c common, then we get sound, please, a minus b. Please try to understand. Here b minus c I am writing, here b minus c. Then here what are we getting here? B square minus c square equals to what? Let me know. B plus c into b minus c, b square minus c square. Here AB, here CA, I can take a common, plus A has been taken common, that is B minus C. Please try to understand what I have done here. This. I am telling you again, multiplying something with 0, 0, 0, 0, we are left with this one, this one. Taking this one means this and this won't be considered. So this 4 will be considered. Number 2, a minus b, b minus c, a minus b, b minus c. Now you see what I have done in class 7. We got this to factorize in class 7. Now you again see, that means here a minus b, and here a minus b can be taken common, a minus b has been taken common, and we are left with a plus b plus c. Here b minus c, and we can take here from this entry, we can take b minus c common, then we are left with b plus c plus a, b plus c plus a. What is happening here? I can take a minus b common from the first column. I can take b minus c common from the second column. That is 1 by 1 a plus b plus c. And here it is again 1 a plus b plus c. Please try to understand. It means a minus b, b minus c. If I take a plus b plus c common, perhaps I can take it a plus b plus c as b common. Then we are again left with 1, 1, 1, 1. That means a minus b, b minus c, a plus b plus c. It is what? 1, it is what? 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 into 1, just to 1. So our result is 0. I don't know what is in the answer, part of 0. Yes, it is 0. Now just let me know. You understand it or not?
জি স্যার বুঝেছি।
Okay. Now I am going to that question number 2 upon. Please mute yourself. Please, I request you. Sound, as I am using microphone, so actually it hurts me. It hurts my ear. Go to question number 2 of 1. It is given x plus y, then it is x, it is y, it's okay, not a matter. Then it is x plus z, then it is z. It is y, z, then it is y plus z. You write down row 1. For row 1, row 1 equals to row 1 minus row 2 plus row 3. Have you got it? Same thing we will get here. Then it is row 2. Row 2 equals to what?
Row 1. Row.
Okay, I'm going to do at first the row 1. But the interesting fact is that for the column 1, it was the same. Interesting fact is that. Anyway, I'm going to do row 1. Okay. Then it is what? Row 1 equals to the same thing. We are getting x plus y minus x minus y. We're getting the same thing, right? Is it? Okay. Now you see this. Can you subtract it? What will be? That is x minus x plus z plus z. Please try to understand what I have written here. Row 1, you see row 1 minus row 2 plus row 3. This is row 2, this is row 3, up down row. Okay, this is row 2, this is row 3, this is row 2, this is row 3. I have written row 2 plus row 3, right? So we are left here, x's will be omitted. We will be left with minus 2z. Please try to understand. Have you got me?
Yes, sir.
It would be the same also for column. Now you see this is the row on y. What can be done here? Y row 1 minus this z plus y plus z. Please try to understand. Someone is making sound. You please try to understand. Row 1 minus this is row 1. Row 1 minus row 2. This is row 2. Z. Row 3. This is row 3. Y plus z. Okay. Now y will be omitted. So we'll be left with minus 2z. And as I told you, as it is row 1, row 2, row 3 has been considered, so I cannot take it again. X plus z, it is z. Then it is y, it is z, it is y plus z. Please talk to me.
স্যার বুঝি নেই।
Where?
স্যার রো 2টা কেন কেটে দিলেন স্যার বুঝতে পারিনি।
Okay, very good, very good. As I have considered all row 1, row 2, row 3. Then if I would take row 2 consider, if I would consider row 2, oh my god, so sorry. Then row 2 would be suppose row 2 minus suppose at example, but this row 2 will be omitted, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so another thing is most important is that I have taken all row 1, row 2, row 3, all have been taken. So we won't take anything else. But you can take, you would write here row 2 equals to suppose row 2 minus, you would write here. It is the original format to write down. Okay? It is the original format. And we would do it, but we will not need because we'll get the answer easily now. For this, we are not going to take this, but it could be taken. You see again? You see,
স্যার
please.
কিন্তু আচ্ছা
Okay, you see again, please. From the first line, what can be taken common? From the first row, as I told you, that is minus 2z can be taken common. I think you have not got me. Minus 2z can be taken common because it is 0. Anything can be taken with 0 common. It is 1 and it is 1. Right? You have to talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay? I told you to get 1 1. I have already got a 0. Right? I told you to have 2 zeros in a row or in a column.
जी sir.
Now we can write here minus 2z. You see it is 0. 1 minus 1 equals to what? 0. Then it is 1. Have you got me? This is xy. This is xy. Now you subtract x plus z minus z equals to what? Only x. And here z minus y minus z. It is only minus y. It is z. It is y plus z. Actually, what I have done, you have to understand. Can you please tell me what I have done here? Any of you? I have got new column 2 as by column 2 minus column 3. Please try to understand. That means what I did here, 1 minus 1. It is what? Column to column. This is a column, right? This is a column. But when I subtract like this, it is row. Okay? I have
Sir,
subtracted. Yes.
স্যার ফার্স্ট রোতে দুইটা জিরো আনার জন্য তো আমরা এতগুলো স্টেপ দিয়ে গেলাম।
Right. You.
আচ্ছা, ওকে স্যার।
Okay. So I think you have got it. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. This minus this equals to x. This minus this is equal to minus y. Now you have seen your math has been easier. For this I told you that I would do this math afterwards. Anyway, you see minus 2z. Now this 0 0, this 0 0, it is 1. No need to write down 1 here. So if I consider this, this will be omitted, this will be omitted. So this is x, this is x, this is y, this is minus y, right? Now what comes next? Minus 2z into, I have to take x common from the first row. This is x common. I have to take y common from the second row. This is second row. Y has been taken common. So we are left with 1 1 1 minus 1. Now please can you calculate it? It is what? Minus, it is what? Minus 2xyz. Okay. And here we are getting, you see, minus 1 minus 1. We have to multiply this. Minus 1 into minus 1. So this is minus 2 minus 2. This is also 4xyz. So we should see. Oh yes, we are right. 4xyz. Have you copied it?
जी sir.
Okay. Now I am going to do some maths here, and we have too many maths on this. But the interesting fact is that what I am going to show to you is it is in the second paper. Okay. But for doing some maths, we must know something. You please try to understand. 1 plus, it is called omega, plus omega square is equal to 0, and omega cube equals to 1. Do you know? This is the question. And what is omega? Can you please tell me what is omega? Omega cube root of unit. Okay. I have written unit. What is unit? Who can tell me? Unit means what? 1. Okay. I
Okay, sir.
have not noticed it. Anyway, I told you, okay, orally, that is cube root of unit. You see, cube root of unit. So it is 1. 1 means unit, and x equals to cube root of unit. Okay, then x cube equals to 1. Now it's okay. I'm sorry for that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, actually, what we are getting here, x equals to 1, right? Is it?
Yes, sir.
And we are getting here, also we are getting here, x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0.
Yes, sir.
X equals to what? Minus b. Let me know. Minus b plus
Plus
minus
root over
b square minus 4ac. What is b square? 1 square minus 4 by 2 into 1. Is it? So we are getting
Yes,
x
sir.
equals to minus 1 plus minus root over minus 3 by 2. And you see, we have got here two values. One is positive plus and other is taking minus, right? And we have already got another value, x equals to 1. And here we have got two values. So, okay, that's good. What was late as by x? Can you remember, please? What was late as by x? Root cube 1 was late as by x, right? Is it? Now, what is the value of x? We have got the values of x are 1. Then please tell me, minus 1 plus root over minus 3 by 2. And what the other value? Minus 1 minus root over minus root 3 by 2. Have I got it or not? Please talk to me.
G,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the interesting fact is that it is considered 1 omega square. Now the interesting fact is that it is written here 1 plus omega square equals to 0. Very good. Let's try to do 1 plus omega square equals to what? 1 plus omega. What is the value of omega? Minus 1 plus root over minus 3 by 2. This is the value of omega. And this is the value of omega square. What is omega square? Minus 1 minus root over minus 3 by 2. Am I right? Now, can you please
G,
calculate it?
sir.
Can you please calculate? Can you please calculate getting to LCM? What will we get? 2 is the LCM here. 2 into 1, that is 2. Here it is minus 1 plus root over minus 3. Okay. And here it is what? Minus 1 minus root over minus 3. Actually, what you are getting there? Can you please tell me? This
0.
and this will be omitted, right? Now we are getting 2 minus 2, that is 0 by 2, that is 0. I have written it. 1 plus omega square equals to 0. Have I proved it? 1 plus omega square equals to 0. Right?
G, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you see, suppose 1 plus omega square equals to 0, we have got it, omega. From here we can get 1 plus omega equals to what? Minus omega square, it is a formula. From here we can get 1 plus omega square equals to what? Only minus omega. From here we can get omega plus omega square equals to what? Minus 1. All these three have come from the basic formula, right?
Sir,
Yeah.
left side এর third line টা কিভাবে সেটা একটু বলবেন, sir?
This one,
Yes, sir.
okay, it's okay. How many values we have got? 3 values,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. So it is written cube root of unit omega, right? So
Yes,
it is
sir.
considered as omega. It is 1, 1. It is omega, and it is omega square. But I have not done yet. Okay, I have many things to say to you. You just think at first it is omega and it is omega square. I will come to this point again, and you will be astonished.
Okay, sir.
You will be astonished. Okay, and
Okay,
you will
sir.
let me know what is happening and what happened today. You will tell me after this class. Okay, just wait. Now, what is given here? Omega cube. Omega cube equals to 1. Very good. Omega cube equals to what? 1 into omega square. Can we write?
Yes,
Actually,
sir.
actually, s- sum of the roots is 0 and product of the roots is 1. I mean cube root. I am telling for cube root of unit. Unit means 1. I mean it has 3 roots. Okay. Their sum is 0. Their product is 1. This is the basic thing. Okay. It has 3 values. Their product is what? 1. Their sum is 0. Anyway, we are going to put the value again. Can you please tell me what was omega? -1 plus root over -3 by 2. Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What was omega square? -1 minus root over -3 by 2. Am I right?
Yes,
So
sir.
actually, we don't have any functioning on this one, right? So we are getting 2 into 2 equals to what? 4. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Now, here it is a plus b, it is a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. Have got me?
Ji,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so you calculate it. -1, so it is 1. Then here it is minus. Can you please tell me what is the value here? If we calculate it, what will be the value?
-3.
Yes, -3. You see one thing, interesting fact. These 2 and root will be omitted. So we will be left with only -3 by 4. Now, if we calculate, the value is 1, right? So we have got omega
Yes,
cube equals
sir.
to 1. Omega cube equals to 1. But interesting fact is that, can you please find out the value in the calculator? Root over -3. I think you have got it right. Demanded, sir, what is omega and what is omega square? That's good. Perhaps one, right? 1
Yes, sir.
-1 by 2 and -1 by 2. Okay, that's good. What I have considered, it is as by omega and it is as by omega square, right? But none of you told me, sir, if I want to take it omega square, if I want to take it omega, right? P. It should be right.
Ji, sir.
Okay. Then actually what happens here, we have to see. Very interesting part. Okay, we have considered is as by omega. Suppose and you have considered it as by omega square. That's good. That means if I get a square of it, then we must get this. If it is omega, its a square is omega square. What is meant by this? If we get its a square, then we must get this. Am I right? Then Zona
Yes,
will
sir.
come to know her answer. That means this by 2 whole square. I am writing this is equal to what? Suppose it's a square. If it is possible to prove that its a square is this, then we are done. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you find it. It is 1 by 4. This 4. Now, what is the formula? Here, a plus b whole square. That is, it is a plus b whole square. 2 into a into b, right? 2ab. Then at last it is plus root over minus 3 whole square. Please talk to me.
Yes, sir.
I have,
Yes,
I
sir.
have, thank you. Then it becomes 1 by 4. Please tell me, it is 1. It is minus 2. It is what? As you told me, minus 3 for the previous math. These two
Yes,
root
sir.
will come. Okay. Now, can you calculate in the numerator? What will be there? 1 minus 3 equals to what? Minus 2. Minus 2 root over minus 3. Is it?
Yes, sir.
That means if I cancel 2 or take 2 common, minus 1 minus root over minus 3 by 2. Zona, have got your answer?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to omega square. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's good. It's okay. I have taken its omega and it's omega square. But your answer is not still done. Done. Okay. Because I would take this omega and this omega square. Suppose I have proved it, but it's not sufficient. If I would take this as omega, then what would happen? Okay, let's see what is going on now that I told you. Suppose you forget this now. Suppose it is now omega. And we are telling that it is omega square. Okay, let's see. Is it possible? What I have got now? Its a square is this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now is it possible to make that its a square is this? How is it possible? A square of 2 is what? 4. So a square of 4 is what? 16. Is it possible to make a square of 4 is 2? It is not possible. I repeat, I have just proved a square of this part is this, right? Now, that is this. It is 2, it is 4, suppose. A square of 2 is equal to 4. Now, if I get its square, it should be 16, right? Is it possible to become 2?
No,
Now,
sir.
now I will make it
Yes,
possible.
sir.
Now I will make it possible. It is the most interesting part. You see again. Suppose I am going to take this as omega. You see. So what will be here? Minus.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What will be here? Minus. What will be
Yes,
here?
sir.
Minus, minus, plus. So it is plus. So it is plus. I think you have got it. Very interesting fact in maths. If I get a square of 2 as 4, then if I get its square, that is 16. But in this math, what we are getting? We are getting a square of 2 equals to 4, and a square of 4 is equal to 2. I think you have got me.
Yes,
At first,
sir.
at first I have proved its square is this. Then I am going to prove its square is again this. Is it possible in maths? But I have made it possible. You know
এটা
why
কি
it is?
ইমাজিনারি রেখে হচ্ছে?
Yes, you're right. And you know, actually, what is the inner meaning? Have a copy it at first. Let me know. What I am going to show you, it is your maths, okay? It is your part of math book. It is given in the examination of 10 marks. Anyway, I think you have got it. And what is the inner fact you try to understand? You please see.
আচ্ছা স্যার, এখন যদি আমার x এর ভ্যালু এটা নিয়ে এসে অন্য কিছু আসতো, তাহলে কি আমি এটাকে ওমেগা ধরতাম?
Now, the specific value of omega is this. It is omega square, or it is omega square. It is a specific value. Because we have got its cubic root of 1. We have got this value. If it is 5, suppose, no, then it cannot be taken as omega. Omega has a specific value this or this. And omega square has a specific value this or this. Any of these two can be taken. If one student takes this as omega and this as omega square, she is right or he is right. And vice versa is also right. Now, you please try to understand something. Why it happens, you know. Omega, I have got omega square. Getting omega and its a square is omega square. We have got omega square. Again, its a square should be what? Talk to me. Am I right or am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But this can be written. What is
Yes.
the value of omega cube? I proved it that omega cube equals to 1. We are getting the previous one. For this, it is possible. Please try to understand. As omega cube equals to 1, so its square is this and its square is this. So we are getting the same that we took. Because omega cube equals to 1. I think you have got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, suppose you are given omega to the power 100 equals to what? Oh my God. You will fail your heart. The what sir is giving. Very good. Omega cube equals to 1. So we can write omega 99 into omega. Am I right?
Yes,
We
sir.
can write. Can you write?
Yes, sir.
It is what? 1. It is equal to what? 1. What a math, eh? Suppose you are again given omega to the power 10 equals to what? I'll write omega. Because you have to count the multiples of 3 below 10. What is the nearest multiple of 3? 9.
Yes, sir.
That is equal to 1. So we are left
Yes,
with only
sir.
1. Suppose we are given omega to the power 23 equals to what? You take the nearest multiple of 23. Below 23, the nearest multiple is 21. Omega to the power 21 into omega square.
Yes, sir.
That means it is the multiple of 3. So it will be always 1. So answer is omega square. Please try to understand. Okay, everybody.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of omega? Let me know. Do you know this phone number? Do you know this phone number? Hello, everybody.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sir.
This is my phone number. Who is making sound? Okay. Who can find this value?
Omega square.
At first, what will you do? It is to be divided by 3. Or you have to see here it is what? 1, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 and 7 equals to what? 19? 19 plus 3, 22. 22 plus 7 what? 29. It is equal to 30. That means it is divisible by 3. Please don't make sound. I request you. Have you got me? Achha, wait. What is the value of omega 12? Omega to the power 3. Am I right?
1.
Is it? So
Yes,
it is.
sir.
It is what? 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 1 to the power 4 equals to what? 1. In this way. Anyway. So you have to divide it by 3 at first. Can you divide it by 3?
Yes, sir.
What is the result?
Sir, 5790371111.
After point, you'd let me know. After point. 0.66 or 0.33, or there is
The
no point.
0.000.
That means there is no point, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you divide it by 3, then what you have got? Let me know. What is here? 5, 7. Is it?
Sir, 903.
9037. Is
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes,
Is
sir.
it? Okay. So it is 1, right? You see it is 1. So 1 to the power, what I have written? That means what? 1. I think you have got
Yes,
me, right?
sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
all of you are required to determine omega to the power your mobile number. Okay, you do it. All of you just do it and let me know. All of you do take the power as your mobile number and please let me know.
স্যার
Yes,
স্যার আমার পয়েন্টের পর 7 আসছে এখন
only 7 or 0.667 something.
স্যার খালি 0.7 আসছে কি করব পয়েন্টের পর
0.7.
জি স্যার
Okay. Okay, not a matter. You just let me know your mobile number.
স্যার 1783
Omega to the power
1783
uh,
44
44
56
uh,
18
18. Listen to me. Can we add all this?
Yes, sir.
Add it, all these digits.
Sir, 47.
47, that's good. We are getting 47. But actually, 47 is not divisible by, it is not divisible by 3. I mean, we are not getting integer after dividing, right? Is it? So here the nearest previous integer was 45, that is divisible by 3. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you're left with 2.
Yes, sir.
That is the answer, omega square.
Oh.
Here,
Yes,
what
sir.
was the summation? Can you remember? 30.
Yes, sir.
30. 30 is divisible by what? 3.
Sir, 3. Yes, sir.
For this answer is 1. Can you remember? I wrote here answer is 1.
Yes, जी sir.
Anyway, suppose if its summation was 48, it is divisible by 3.
3 है sir. 1 होगा तो sir.
Yes, you're right. If it was 46, summation,
जी sir.
what would be? Let me know.
Sir তখন sir omega to the power 1.
Yes, you're right. Only omega.
Yes, sir.
I think you've got it very easily. You can find it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, why I am told you too many items, because we are going to do a math and we have some other maths on this question number 5. You please see, write down 1. You write down 1 minus omega square. Then it is minus omega square minus omega minus omega square. Then it is 1. Then we are getting omega square 1 and minus omega. This is the left hand side, and dear students, you see, nothing can be taken common. It would be taken common if it was 0, 0, 0. But interesting fact is that we cannot take anything common from all 3. We cannot take anything common from all 3. And from any row or any column, we cannot take any common, right? But we can do one thing. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I go for adding, you just add it. This, and this. What will be the result? 1 minus omega plus omega square, right? I am going to add all. If I go for adding this, 1 minus omega plus omega square. Am I right? If I go for adding this, 1 minus omega plus omega square. Please try to understand. What I have
Yes,
done here.
sir.
What I have done here. I have got column 1 by adding column 1, column 2, and column 3. You see, this minus this. I think I have got it. 1 minus omega plus omega square. 1 minus omega plus omega square. Here also, this plus this plus this. Now, other 2 columns will be written as it is. That is minus omega square. This is 1. It is omega square. It is 1 minus omega. Is it okay? I think you have copied it.
Yes, sir.
Now, what can be taken common? It is that 1 minus omega plus omega square can be taken common, where we will get 1, 1, 1 minus omega square 1, omega square 1 minus omega. Please try to understand. And I told you from the very beginning of the day today that I have to get at least 1, 1, 1. Can you remember? If I get 1, 1, 1, then our math is done. Right? Now you see, it is 1 minus omega plus omega square. That is written here. Now can we subtract from row to row? Here 1, first row, here 1, second row. So you have to subtract from row to row, not to column to column. So 1 minus 1 equals to 0. 1 minus 1 equals to 0. This is 1. Okay. Then we see minus omega square. Omega square minus 1. And it is 1. We also see omega square minus 1. 1 plus omega. This is minus omega. What I have done here? Row to row. Row 1 is equal to row 1 minus row 2. Row 2 equals to row 2 minus row 3. This is the operation. Please let me know if you have failed to understand. Everybody? Hello, are you here? Hello?
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So 1 minus omega plus omega square equal to what? Just let me know. I will consider this one. That means this will be omitted, this will be omitted. So we will be left with minus omega square. It is omega square minus 1. It is omega square minus 1. It is 1 plus omega. Now you see what is the value of this minus omega square? Can you please let me know? 1 minus omega plus omega square. What is the value here? Can you please let me know? 1 plus omega square equals to what? 0. So 1 equals to what? Minus omega square. Talk to me. So we can put here
Yes, sir.
1.
Sir, sir, last time the sir কিভাবে এসেছে স্যার বুঝিনি স্যার।
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just I have not considered that one. 0, 0, 1. 0 will be 0. 0 will be 0. First column it was 0, 0, 1. If I take 0, all will be 0. If I take 0, all will be 0. If I take 1, I will get this.
ওকে স্যার স্যার কন্ডিশনটা কি স্যার শুধু ফার্স্ট রো না ফার্স্ট কলামের জন্য অ্যাপ্লিকেবল?
Now,
Okay,
what,
sir.
it will be there when you will get 0. Either it is in column or either it is in row, or any column or any row. Okay, you see again.
Okay, sir.
So we are getting this is 1, and here it is omega square minus 1. You see it is omega square minus 1. It is 1 plus omega. So from here we can write 1 plus omega equals to what? Minus omega square. I have written all the formula. 1 plus omega equals to what? Minus omega square. And this is the formula equals to 1. Now you do it by yourself. That is 1 minus omega plus omega square. You multiply. What will be? Minus omega square. And here it is what? Minus omega square minus 1 whole square. Is it? Now you go for calculating. That is 1 minus omega plus omega square. What is the formula? Just let me know. Minus omega square, then minus omega 4 plus 2 omega square minus 1. Can you please talk to me?
Yes, sir.
That is 1 minus omega plus omega square. It is what? Calculate it. Minus omega square plus 2 omega square equals to what? Only omega square. It is omega 4. That means what? Omega, that is -1. Is it? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Omega 4 means omega cube into omega, right? This is plus omega square minus omega minus 1. It's okay. Now we see that we can write here 1 minus omega plus omega square. We can take a minus common here and we'll get minus 1 plus omega minus omega square. Right? I am just avoiding minus, nothing else. That minus can be taken at first. You take minus at first. Then it is what? I can write here 1 plus omega square minus 2 omega. I have written this as to put it into value. We know it is equals to 0, right? In the same way, we'll write here 1 plus omega square minus 2 omega square. I am just maintaining the equilibrium. It is equal to what? 0. Now we are getting minus, this is 0, minus 2 omega, this is 0, minus 2 omega square. That means minus, this is minus 2 omega, this is minus 2 omega square, right? So we are getting minus 4 omega cube. What is the value of omega cube? 1? I don't know it is the answer or not. Okay, let me check. 4, 5. Oh yes, we are right. Oh my God. I know that many of you did